Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. In the mid-1950s, America was entering a golden era of style, confidence, and prosperity. The highways were open, the economy was booming, and the automobile had become more than just transportation, it was a statement of identity. It was in this atmosphere of optimism and creativity that Ford introduced one of its most iconic vehicles, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird. This wasn't merely a car, it was a revolution in design and emotion, a symbol of freedom wrapped in chrome and steel. The Thunderbird marked Ford's bold response to a new trend in the automotive world, the personal luxury car. The story of the Thunderbird begins with competition. In 1953, Chevrolet stunned the world with the launch of the Corvette, a lightweight, fiberglass-bodied two-seater built for performance. Ford couldn't ignore this new American sports car movement. But rather than simply creating a rival racer, Ford decided to go in a different direction. The result was something more refined, more elegant, and more attuned to comfort and style, a car that offered performance and sophistication in equal measure. When it debuted at the 1954 Detroit Auto Show, the Thunderbird immediately captured America's imagination. The 1955 Thunderbird was a masterpiece of proportion and design. With its long, sculpted hood, rounded fenders, and sleek two-seat layout, it exuded pure confidence. The front grille, wide and smiling, framed circular headlamps that gave it a friendly yet assertive face. Chrome detailing adorned the car in tasteful measure, from the hood scoop to the side moldings and the jet-inspired tail fins that subtly hinted at the era's fascination with aviation. The removable fiberglass hardtop and optional folding soft top gave the Thunderbird versatility, open-air motoring when desired, comfort and protection when needed. It was elegant, modern, and distinctly American. Inside, the Thunderbird redefined what a two-seater could be. While European sports cars of the time often sacrificed comfort for performance, Ford's vision was different. The interior of the Thunderbird was designed with luxury in mind. Leather upholstery, full carpeting, and chrome accents created an environment that felt more like a first-class cabin than a barebones racer. The dashboard was beautifully symmetrical, with aviation-inspired dials and switches that emphasized precision and control. A telescoping steering wheel and roll-up windows came as standard luxuries that many competitors didn't even offer. It was a car that spoke not to the racing enthusiast, but to the sophisticated driver who valued comfort as much as excitement. Under the hood, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird came equipped with a 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 engine producing 193 horsepower, paired with either a 3-speed manual or Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. This powertrain delivered smooth yet exhilarating performance, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 9 seconds, impressive for its time. The car's low stance and 102-inch wheelbase gave it excellent stability and cornering balance, while power steering and power brakes, available as options, enhanced its everyday drivability. The Thunderbird wasn't a track car, it was a cruiser, designed for the open road, where its V8 could sing under the wide American sky. Ford marketed the Thunderbird not as a sports car, but as a personal car, a completely new category in the automotive world. This distinction was key to its success. It wasn't trying to beat the Corvette on the racetrack, it was offering something entirely different: elegance, comfort, and style for the individual who wanted to stand out. And it worked brilliantly. The 1955 Thunderbird was an instant hit, outselling the Corvette by nearly 23-1 in its first year. More than 16,000 Thunderbirds rolled off the production line in 1955, far surpassing Ford's expectations. The Thunderbird's success also marked a cultural shift. It became an icon of mid-century America, a car that embodied glamour, freedom, and the thrill of the open road. It appeared in movies, television shows, and the driveways of celebrities. Marilyn Monroe owned one, so did Elvis Presley. The Thunderbird wasn't just transportation, it was a symbol of status, individuality, and taste. It was the dream car for a generation that had newfound prosperity and wanted to express it. Despite its enormous popularity, the two-seat Thunderbird was short-lived in its original form. Ford quickly realized that the market for personal luxury was larger than anticipated, and by 1958, the Thunderbird evolved into a four-seater, larger, more comfortable, and more opulent. Still, the 1955 model remained the purest expression of Ford's original vision, the car that started it all, capturing the perfect blend of power and grace. Looking back today, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird stands as a true American classic, not just for its beauty or performance, but for what it represented. It was the car that defined a new class, inspiring decades of successors and cementing the Thunderbird name in automotive history. It blended style, luxury, and performance in a way no other car of its time could, creating a template that others would follow for generations. The Thunderbird was more than a vehicle, it was an emotion, a symbol of post-war optimism, and a love letter to the American dream. With its distinctive design, effortless power, and undeniable charm, the 1955. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired.